We guide you through how to report someone on Roblox using a PC or laptop, so you can help keep the platform safe and friendly for everyone. First thing you need to do is to open your web browser and go to roblox.com, then log into your account. Join any game or open experience where the user is located. While in game, press the ESC K on your keyboard to open the player menu. From here, click the Players tab, find the username of the person you want to report, and click the flag icon on Report button next to their name. A report window will appear where you can choose the reason, such as bullying, harassment, scamming, or inappropriate content. Select the correct reason, add extra details if needed, and then click Submit. Roblox will review your report and take action if the user violated the rules. You can also report users by visiting their profile page and clicking the Report Abuse button. This only takes a few seconds and helps make Roblox safer for everyone.